Welcome to the official EonCoat TikTok. I want to talk a little bit about the company and how EonCoat began. If you don't know, EonCoat is a state-of-the-art coating system that permanently protects steel from corrosion. So EonCoat's been around since 2009, but we spent the first few years just doing research. And it all started when Tony Collins, our founder, this is Tony Collins right here. Tony was looking for a fast curing cement, and he ran into the technology that we know of as EonCoat today. And he purchased it from another company. One day he was trying to get it to work to its fullest potential, and he actually poured some of this concrete onto a piece of steel. And his wife Sandy actually figured out that that piece of steel wasn't corroding anymore. And so Tony was like, that's actually very interesting. And so he did some digging, and that's when he discovered that this cement that he bought as a fast curing cement has excellent corrosion protection properties. And so that's when he decided to go get some help and hired Samir Patel. This is Samir right here. Samir actually spent quite a few years developing this product and getting it to what it is today. And of course, that's way above my pay grade because I'm no scientist at all. But essentially, he created a spray-applied surface treatment for steel. And this treatment permanently, let me say it again, permanently stops corrosion. So who am I? I'm Carlos. I started with the company back in September of 2020. And I'm the operations manager here. You're going to be seeing my face a lot, and I'm going to be doing all the digital marketing for EonCoat. So if you like to learn about new technologies, go ahead and follow us and stick around. For the next few days, I'm going to do my best to explain the EonCoat products and just show you how we do things around here at EonCoat. And of course, if you can't wait and you want to learn more about the product, go ahead and visit us at EonCoat.com. Till next time, deuces.